Alright, let's look at the problem set 5, problem number 9. A triangle has a side 4, 7, and x. Which of the following could be the perimeter of the triangle? Alright, so using a triangle inequality, which basically says that the sum of the length of two sides is going to be always greater than the length of the third side. So you have 4, 7x. You can have three inequalities. So you can add the first two together. So 4 plus 7 is greater than x. Right? Or we can do 4 plus x is greater than 7. Right? Or we can do 7 plus x is greater than 4. Right? So we have these three triangle inequality, and let's simplify this. So this guy, so simply we can add them up. So it's going to be 11. So x is smaller than 11. Right? Here, we can just subtract 4. Tells you that x has to be greater than 3. Right? Here, let's see. So what's the best way? So this is actually not very interesting, because if you subtract 7, so x has to be greater than, of course, negative 3. Right? Which is always true, because x is the length. So it's not gonna be negative. All right. So only the meaningful one would be the first one and the second one, which tells you that if you combine, it tells you that the x is always between 3 and 11. All right. So if you're looking for the perimeter, so P, remember that the P is just the sum of 4 plus 7, so it's going to be 11 plus x, right? So if 11 is the largest value, its upper bound is 11, so it's going to be, the largest x could be 11 plus 11. So this is going to be less than 22, right? And the smallest x could be 3, so 3 plus 11 would be, right, 14 would be the smallest it could be. Actually, it cannot actually be 14, so it has to be larger than 14. All right. Then you can see that here, so if the perimeter is between 14 and 12, we know that it can't be 11, too small, and 14 is small. Right, 18 is good because it's greater than 14 and less than 22, and 22 is too big, and 25 is even bigger. Right, so therefore answer is C. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.